Hey guys, it's Susan and welcome to my channel. So in this video I will be showing you my koshiwon. So a koshiwon is basically the smallest apartment you've ever seen. It is so small, but you do have a shower if you pay for a shower and a toilet, so that's really nice. So I'm gonna show you my koshiwon that I had in the HONGDAE/Sinchon area, and I found this koshiwon on Goshipages. Information and links and budgeting blah 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 will be in the description box below. So I found it online, then through Kakao I had contact with the owner. It was only in Korean, which wasn't as hard, so just download some Google Translate. I paid 320,000 won per month for it, and I only had a shower. I had a shared toilet on the shared, it wasn't a shared bathroom, and then I had to share the kitchen. So if you follow me for a while, you're thinking, I thought you were living with your boyfriend. So this video that I'm gonna show you, I filmed with my iPhone on the last day of my koshiwon when my boyfriend and I did move into our apartment, our new apartment together. So it dates back to November last year, this video. I don't know why, it was always on my phone and I totally forgot to post it. So yay, this is how my koshiwon looked like. Don't forget to subscribe, by the way, and give this video a thumbs up. And I also have a home tour of the apartment that my boyfriend and I had, so yeah, you can watch that. I'll put it somewhere up there, but for now, enjoy watching this video. So this used to be my room. Yeah, it's really as small as it looks like. The bathroom is here, it's just the shower and the sink. And then I have a shared toilet that I use in the shared bathroom. So here I can put my coats and bags. I can dry my stuff here. This is the air conditioning. You cannot control it per person, so that's sad. I have a view, which I'm gonna show you. Well, it's not really a view actually, but so I'm on the 5th floor. There are all kind of bars and stuff, so it's quite annoying actually in the weekends. Then this is my bed, or this was my bed, and it is actually just 70 centimeters wide. So can you imagine me and Lizzie sleeping in here? Oh my god, terrible. And then it goes underneath the desk. So there's no chair, so you have to sit here in order to use the desk, but this is kind of low, so I think it's annoying. Had a fridge with a little freezer compartment. Yeah, I put some shoes. Here's some storage. It's a pretty small closet. And if you think about that, the bed is 70 centimeters. Look how small the closet is. That's not enough for my stuff. So there you have it. So basically, it's pretty small in here. Just one step from the door. Ooh. If you're at the door, you can just take one big step and you reach the bed. And then here I have this. Hi. And then on the door I have a mirror and an escape plan. So then, if you go straight, my last things. So here you can dry all your laundry. Okay, there's no one. Okay, no one's here. So then this is the kitchen. And there you can find kimchi. Then here we have rice, water, microwave, and noodles. 2 washing machines and some washing powder. You can use these for free, which is actually nice. But the kitchen itself, it's okay. could be better. So that's it. Then I'm gonna show you the shared bathroom. So this was my room. Then we go here. This is the hallway where you put your shoes usually, but I had them in my room because I don't want people to take my shoes because they already took other things. Then here, this is the shared bathroom with a little shower, so it's pretty small. Here are more rooms in total. I think there are like 30 rooms. So there's also a floor below here. And then again, we have my room number 23. So yeah, this used to be my life for 9 months. And I'm so happy to have an apartment now with Laziz. By the way, I don't have a winter coat, so I'm wearing his jacket. So you made it all through the end. That is how I lived for about 9 months until my boyfriend and I moved in together. So it is pretty small. It becomes pretty hot in summer. So yeah, it's not always the best, but at least it's kind of cheap. And like mentioned in the introduction, it was in the HONGDAE/Sinchon area. HONGDAE I really like, but Sinchon is kind of like a tad cheaper than HONGDAE. You can walk to HONGDAE in like 10 minutes, and Sinchon itself is so much fun as well. When I got the Goshiwon, I was in the Netherlands, and I hoped that Sinchon was a nice area because I had never been there before arranging this, well, contract kinda. But I loved it. So if you like HONGDAE but it's a bit too expensive for you, go to Sinchon. It is great. Don't forget to subscribe, give this a thumbs up, and yeah, that's it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!